There's so much wind, and the rain is like little bullets. But we're really trying to make this shot work. I'm moving at half speed.
It's a really nice day today. It reminds me of home in the summertime.
We're out here on an abandoned Finnish fort in pretty much what feels like right now a hurricane for Finland.
It's pretty much, it's really stormy weather. It's pretty unusual to have weather like this here.
We're getting blown over just trying to walk straight.
Look at that there, it's wild.
We're out here to get nice tunnel shots inside this fort. And we're also trying to get some water. And I really hope you can hear me.
What?
Them, not you.
What?
I have one in particular, and this is kind of a Peter McKinnon challenge today because I have only brought a 40mm pancake lens and a 50mm. So we're gonna see what type of photo we can get, and it's raining like hell, so I'm gonna put my camera away right now. All right, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see it. So we missed my face. Yeah. So we missed the bus, the boat bus. So I have a 40mm and you're rocking.
I'm rocking my 16-35mm.
Yeah. And today we're gonna go over to the Suomenlinna Island and try to get some good photos. I have a tunnel photo that I'm trying to knock out. I don't know, do you have any goals for the day?
I don't know, I'm just going out to explore and see what's out there.
Yeah.
It's raining the whole farm, not just cats and dogs. It's going to be a real challenge and should be fun.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get drenched. I don't have good pants on, so we'll find out.
Okay, so we've taken our first stop on the island and we have found this kind of little cave place. We're escaping from the rain and we're going to try and do some moody photos.
Yo, inside one of these tunnels with some backlight and like all exploring looking.
We got some lights with us, as you can see, and let's see what we can do. It's time to change some lenses, and I'm going to put on my big boy, and I'll just throw the lens cap on the floor there.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we can do with this. What you do is I want you to stand to your side, so your right shoulder is going to be forward, and you're going to be looking over your shoulder, and you're going to lift your head up and bring your chin a little bit forward. You're going to put your hands by your side, and then I want you also to move around your head a bit, and then you can interact with your hands as well, fixing your hat, for example, pulling your hat up, just not your hands in your pockets. Because when you put your hands in your pockets, then your whole body changes position like that, and we don't want that. We want you to be relaxed and fluid. So let's go do it. We could light you from behind with a red light.
Yeah. Yes.
We could put it into the wall and maybe there. Okay, so we're going to maybe try and do a second shoot in this really small little stone entrance here. We have a white light, but we also got a red light. So we might backlit you with that. Whoa! Ninja! Where are we?
Okay, so that's not that deep.
Then safe is over here.
Yeah. Crazy. Oh my goodness, that's throwing so many shadows off flares, off the little drops of water on this lens. It's like 4,000 euros worth of gear just sitting out behind us.
So yeah, I'm thinking having you somewhere like here.
Okay.
And then I might get you to move forward a little bit. So let's light you up. So if you stand somewhere there. Super moody. Oh my goodness.
Right in here, you can hear the water dripping. Oh, this is totally overexposed.
Would you stay here for the night alone?
For what?
Just for fun. Because the red is like quite nice. This should take some water, right?
That's a window. The autofocus is so good even in how dark it is in here.
Light, I can't see your face, so take a step back behind you.
So you think we got any good shots out of there?
I really hope so. We worked really hard on that, and we got with these nice little lights in here. We got some really nice reflections on the water. And I'm hoping we get something really nice. Only thing was the ISO. I had to push it quite high, but let's see.
Yeah, I think we're gonna pack up, get some gloves on, and head to our next location because my hands are cold. I think we got some really good shots in there, and yeah, this is a 40mm, so I'm not gonna be able to get everything in. Yep.
Geez, they have umbrellas in this wind and they just get blown away. Whereas us pros are ready for this.
We're setting up for a bridge walk in the rain. And our background is that.
Okay, hoping the camera doesn't fall over. Let's do it!
Ew, he got stuck. Need to take my
So what are we doing? We're shooting a Canon with a Canon on a Canon.
for a Canon channel.
For a Canon.
Boom.
Boom. If we expose for the background, then you're going to be so dark. But if we expose for you, you're going to be in light, but the whole background is just going to be totally blown out. So we got to add a little bit of light to your face. What are we going to do?
The rain is hurting my face.
Yeah, it's getting pretty nasty outside. The rain is really hurting my face. Watch out for the cliff here.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
Yeah.
Cliffs of Dover deaths. Basic advantage is this doesn't have any wind in here right now.
No, it's like totally different world.
What is this? Oh, this must have been. Let's see here. I can't even see anything. Flashlight.
Woo! Where are the people like living? Dead?
I'm trying to follow you with the light. If I can fall through a trap or something. It's just way too dark. Yeah.
It's pretty
what's
eerie.
over there?
Pretty eerie in here.
Yeah, dude, this is super weird. You want to give me a second? I'll pull out my flashlight.
Yep. Oh, here's a photograph. Needs to be taken.
Yeah? Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to get the light coming from. Does it work? Does it
Oh,
work?
damn.
The light coming behind my head.
There's a ton, but I also don't have the settings set up.
Because the floor is quite has nice shapes in it, and the ceiling.
Do you think this was quarters? At one point?
No idea. Maybe it's yeah. And like so that has to look out the window here and.
Damn.
Could take some outdoor shots using the the grain of the stone here and the colors of these guys here. Makes quite nice photos. We're going to use this as a prop. So we're going to put this in front of the camera, just in front of the lens, like that, somehow. Let's see how it happens.
Take the photo, because I wanted to get this foreground. It was right here, but I'm on a 35, so trying to figure out how to overcome that. That's totally not a good way to hold that camera. I'm moving at half speed.
It's a really nice day today. It reminds me of home in the summertime.
Jesus. I'm getting blown over as I'm trying to film this. Woo! My teeth are cold already coming up over this. This, maybe I shouldn't have been filming us walking this last little bit, but the ocean is right there. Oh my goodness.
So this is where you get in for a swim, and I photograph you swimming.
Alright, so we have just decided on a spot where we're trying to get a wave photo of me, and we're trying to set it up in a way that I don't get wet out here, and
I don't die and fall into the sea.
Yeah, those are two things that we're really trying to avoid at this moment.
Yeah. But we just went up to the shore there, and it is super windy. It's I've never seen it this windy here before.
Not like you saw. We were getting blown over walking up there.
It's pretty crazy. So we're gonna have to be pretty careful. So we're going down to the shoreline, and we're going to check it out first. But we're not going to shoot until we check it out and find a safe place. Like, you know, it's pretty important. We don't fall in the water. These don't pay for themselves.
Yeah, for real. And I don't pay for myself. No.
Have you got life insurance?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. So, I need to figure that out. Let's go.
Yeah.
A hurricane for Finland.
It's pretty much. It's really stormy weather. It's pretty unusual to have weather like this here.
We're getting blown over just trying to walk straight.
Look at that there. It's wild.
Oh my goodness, look at the sea. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Okay, I think we got to be pretty careful out here. The waves are pretty big, and the wind is really strong, so we really don't want to risk our safety here. So we're just going to watch the waves for a while and see if it's safe to do this.
So Jimmy just went out to go and find a good spot for us to take photos of me next to the water, but I don't think he'll be getting me out there next to the water, honestly. The waves are so big and it's so slick and everything, so we'll find out. Oh my goodness, my hands are so red. It's so cold out here because of this wind. And I'm standing behind this. This is a little pit for a turret for one of the large guns back in the day. And we're just taking shelter here. There's so much wind, and the rain is like little bullets. But we're really trying to make this shot work.
But up here it's pretty bad.
I'm thinking
we got some nice wave action. 1, 2, 3.
I think right here we can get in and not get drenched while still getting that nice freaking wave splash.
Yeah.
I'm not sure you're gonna get splashed in here, but if I stand right there,
okay,
I think we'll be good. Or we can get you, or
and I'll shoot.
So we found a spot where I don't get splashed, but there's still a lot of waves that come up over here. Like right there. And they splash. Yeah, that was really good. I timed that perfect. I did that on purpose. But I think we got it.
Come on, water.
So we're both very wet now. I think it's time to head back.
I think we've got to see how waterproof these cameras are. I've got some sea debris and all kinds of stuff going on in my camera. that last wave caught me out, so let's see what happens.
Yeah, oh my gosh, we're gonna head back. I'm drenched, you're drenched. Fun day. I think we got some good photos though.
Yeah, let's see. It's been like really epic day, and yeah.
Oh, can't even feel him anymore. Pump up. Let's get out of here.
Wipe your hands a bit. Are you recording?
Yeah.
A little pro tip when out on a day like today when it's really rainy, spare pair of gloves and spare pair of socks. You never know when you need them. Or in your case, Dan, a spare pair of pants would have been gold.
Yeah, these things are, yeah, they're done.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go.
Yeah, we just got back from the island. We actually did end up going out onto right in front of the water to get those splash shots, and I'm not sure if we got any good ones, but we did get them.
Yeah, but it was fun. I think the whole challenge today was getting out of our comfort zone. The weather is absolutely crazy outside today, and it's normally a day you would sit inside, watch TV, do nothing, but today we decided to challenge yourself, challenge your equipment, and
yeah, it definitely pushed it. Like settings changing all over the place because of the touchpad, and I shot on nothing except for 35 and a 40 pancake.
Yeah.
That's all I shot on the entire day.
And then for the photos, I was on the 70 to 200, and then for the film stuff, the 16 to 35.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ended up getting some really, really moody stuff inside. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you next in the next one. You can find his affiliates and company stuff down there. This is Jimmy Doyle.
Yeah, from Black Sheep.
Yep, there we are.
All right.
Take care. Thank you for watching.